Let's go.
I am not of this, I am so above this. Attitude of the city, you should really love this. All black aura, usually we say so. This charming man about to be a lingo. Soul on my black jeans denim. I'm the new age John Lennon. Send them, whoever wants to respond when it's breakfast. It could be breakfast, toast with some XR. You could be just lying, cause I'm handsome as a lion. And I'm chilling while I'm lying, like I'm still bringing that fire. I could be just sighing cause I'm tired, and I'm sighing cause you won. And I'm sighing like this loser to retire. Whoever think not, we should have dinner. Camera on my neck and I'm looking like a winner. Why be fat and light skin when I could be dark and thinner? And you know, on the side when the grass look greener. Sweat, tears, working through the years. No more fears.
Champion, you are.
I said the runway clear, moving in the air. My people we here.
Champion, you are.
What?
All black aura.
What?
All black aura.
What?
All black aura.
What?
Champion, you are.
Oh, you out of breath, look like you about to give up. 93 drive-by, you can business straight up. All black, bone cap, bass if I must add. Varsity rocksmith for party by the hit up. I ain't knowing y'all ever respect me on my grown shit. Like when you see me kneel down, it's my own shit. I'm in my own world, yeah, it's something new. And the only phrase we know is what it do.
Fuck yeah!